You know, nature has some incredible tricks up its sleeve, but this one is just wow. We're about to explore a true masterpiece of mimicry. I'm talking about a flower that looks so much like a bird, you'll have to see it to believe it. Okay, take a look at this. I mean, just look at it. Those delicate, pure white petals, they fringe out just like the wings of an egret taking off. The resemblance is just uncanny, right? It's like a perfect little ghost of a bird, but made by a plant.
So, I have to ask, what are we looking at here? Is it a bird or is it a flower? I mean, really, it almost feels like something out of a fantasy story, doesn't it? Or is it just a super clever marvel from the world of botany? All right, let's solve this little mystery. It's time to properly meet this incredible natural work of art.
So, the big reveal what you're seeing is actually an orchid. Its scientific name is Pecteilis radiata. But honestly, its common names tell the whole story the white egret flower or the fringed orchid. So, no, it's not a bird, but it might just be nature's most perfect imitation of one.
Okay, so we know what it is. But that just leads to more questions, right? Like, what's the story behind a flower like this? To really get its magic, we need to dig into where it comes from and, how it lives. So this whole amazing process starts from a tiny little tuber under the ground. First, it sends up these long, skinny leaves that you could easily mistake for grass. But then, in late summer, a flower spike just shoots up, sometimes getting up to 50 centimeters tall. And that's when you get 2 or 3 of these absolutely magnificent white blossoms. So, where on earth can you find this natural wonder? Well, you'd have to travel to Asia. It absolutely loves the grassy wetlands and moors over there. You'll find it in parts of China, Japan, Korea, and even Russia. Now, here's something interesting. Because this flower is so unique, it actually gets mixed up with another one pretty often. Yep, it has a doppelganger, and it's a good idea to know who's who. So, on one hand, you've got our flower, the Asian Pecteilis radiata, but it often gets confused with its look-alike cousin from North America, Platanthera praeclara. And yeah, they both have that delicate, fringy vibe, but they are totally different species from completely different parts of the world. But, the story of this orchid doesn't stop with biology. Not at all. Its captivating appearance has earned it a really special place in human culture, transforming it into something way more than just a flower. Take Japan, for instance. There, it's known locally as sagiso, and people love it so much that it's the official flower of Setagaya, which is a huge district in Tokyo. Think about that. It's a celebrated, protected local icon. And it's even made its way into modern pop culture, which is pretty cool. It gained a whole new meaning through the video game Omori. In the game, the flower carries this really beautiful, poignant message. My thoughts will follow you into your dreams. It connects this natural wonder to some really deep themes of memory and love. So the white egret orchid, it's a perfect illusion, isn't it? A little secret that nature has been hiding right out in the open. It really makes you wonder, what other incredible stories is nature just waiting for us to discover?